Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. It's breaking news here this morning with Virgin Galactic. Premiere just playing now, and that's where my audience is right now. So there is the premiere just starting. So we are going to listen in there. That's where it's happening right now this morning. After this premiere, we will be back. So listen in now to the premiere, and I'll be back in just a moment right after the premiere. So we'll just let it start there, and then we'll be back in just a moment. Here we go. Just some breaking news this morning, just out from Virgin Galactic. Good news. I wanted to get it recorded and out this morning before the main show. It is good. Increased revenue. It also shows good sentiment towards the company as well, which is exactly what we want to see with Virgin Galactic. So it's just about to start right now. We've got people on the extra channel. We've got people here on the main channel. And we've got our audience now in the main event here. So I will see you back in a moment right after this premiere. All right, I'll see you back in a minute. Enjoy the premiere. Hiya, James on the extra channel. Yes, it is indeed time for a cup of tea. I'll join you when you come back on the main show. Okay, we're back a little bit earlier than advertised because the premiere has finished. I hope you all got a chance to see the premiere. What do you think of the news this morning? Everyone like that? Fantastic. Good luck to everyone there who is in Virgin Galactic. It is good news. This morning. The stock price hasn't done much. It popped for a while, but it went back down again, which is typical, I'm afraid, of Virgin Galactic at the moment. But I think you'll all agree that is good news for Virgin Galactic. So I wanted to get it out and get everyone to see it before we started the day. So it's around the $10. So we're around that 50 cents area again, which is where we said the bottom would be. There it is, 50 cents. You can buy the company now. If you look now below, you'll see the market cap now has reset. It's not in the billions anymore. It's 207 million. That is the market cap of the company. That's what you're paying. That's the price you're paying for Virgin Galactic now. 207 million, no doubt about it. Undervalue, as long as you feel it's going to do well. If you don't feel it's going to do well, of course, then it's not a good deal. But if you believe it's going to do well, every reason to suggest. But like last night, I put out a big story about there are risks, but high gains always come with high risks. You can see it's got the potential. Anyway, let's move on with other news today. We are green again. We've got all-time highs set again. Beating the market again. As you can see, the S&P is up 0.2, and I'm up 0.28. So I'm beating the market. That's because I'm in margin at the moment. A balance now of 97,715. We have 1 week to go to the 3rd anniversary. It'll be our 3rd birthday here on the show. Can you believe it's been 3 years in 7 days? And the target was to get to $100,000 by the end of this year. Well, we're going to do it. We're going to do it. It's very tight, but we're going to do it because tomorrow is the 21st. As you all know, I get paid on the 21st. I've got $24,000 of margin, so that's not on my balance. That's for me to pay off. So as I earn money, my only income is YouTube. I will bring money in. I will reduce my margin. My balance will go up, and it will touch about 99.5 tomorrow. So it's going to get very, very close to the magic $100,000. Is it going to go there? Well, on the birthday, we've got 7 days to go. It's going to be very, very, very close indeed. Wow.
Team Fusion has become a member.
Team Fusion has just upgraded to gold. Now, as a gold member, obviously you've upgraded to gold. You've got a green badge though, so you've only been a member for a few days, but you've upgraded. Now, as a gold customer, you get discounts in the shop. You get concerts on the music channel. If you've got an anniversary or a birthday, you don't have to pay me $500 or $1,000, which is what I charge to do concerts. So you can have a birthday or anniversary as part of your gold membership. Also, you can have 2 hours a month Zoom calls or private video calls to talk about YouTube and how to build your channel if that's what you want to do. Also, as a gold member, you go on the home page of the channel right at the top. So if you are a YouTuber or a business or whatever you are, you go on the home page of the channel right here. Let me share with you what happens here. You can see silver members or upwards. So you'll be here right at the top in front of Hustle Brothers. You'll be right next to me here as a gold member. So you'll be right on the home page and people will see you if you are a YouTube channel. So as I grow, you grow. It's a nice perk there for the gold members. Fantastic. So Team Fusion, thank you so much indeed for becoming a gold member of our channel. Lots of extra benefits over the silver level. Please take advantage of that. Let me tell you how many gold members we have. These are our very, very special customers, very, very special family members. I'll show you how many we have. See your members, filter by gold, current level. You join a very exclusive club. And once you make the 2-year of you'll be in the founder members club as well, and gold members get extra benefits. So here are the, whoops, hang on, I can't zoom in. Let me just do this a minute. Current level, gold, apply. Right, here we go. Here are our gold members. You can see this here, it's incredible. Look, these are our gold members. You join an elite club of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 gold members. We have KK2, who's been a gold member for 29 months. Jason Fallon has been a gold member from Australia, 20 months. Jose Quintana, gold member for 6 months. This is Carlon D. Ross, which is, I forget his other little nickname now, but anyway, Yardstick, yes, a gold member for 5 months. Armando Gonzalez, a gold member for 2 months. Thomas Calise, a gold member for 11 months. Ahmad Shaban, a gold member for 21 days. And Team Fusion, gold member now for 17 days. You just upgraded today, so you can see you've upgraded, but a member for 17 days. There you go. There are our gold members. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Welcome to the VIP club. Thank you very much indeed. Please take advantage of all the perks and benefits that you get with that. All right. Great. Thank you very much. And as I say, if you want to go on the homepage of the channel, you have to ask me. I don't just do it automatically. You have to request it. Otherwise, that's how it works. Anyway, let me read the comments. Good morning, everyone. Purple looks good on me. John Granfor, morning. Jay, good morning, John. That was a good video, Martin. Nice information. Did you see the main one last night? Did you see the main one last night? I put out a 30-minute video. What do you think of this? Did you see this last night? It was called Past and Future. It's a 30-minute review. Lots and lots of information there. A piece by Richard Durant, and I gave my reaction to it and thoughts to it as a presentation there last night. A 30-minute video. That was last night. If you've not yet seen that, go and check that out. And this morning we've had Virgin Galactic in the money just out a few moments ago. All right, so there's a couple of videos you may have not yet seen. All right. Let's read the comments. Great news. It is great news. Repeat customers. I mean, that is where the money comes, especially research flights as well. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Lucas Aid. Good morning, Martin, Stacy, John, everybody. Look, there you go. All Lucas Aids in the galaxy. We love it. Morning, James. Good morning, James. Good morning, Octavio. Good morning, John. Thanks, brother. Became a member. Team Fusion Gold member. Hi, James 007. Could you give any advice on HKD for me, please? I'm from the UK. I'm not sure. I'm also from the UK, even though my studio is here in Dallas, Texas. I'm from Cornwall, Chris. Chris Rainbow, lovely to have you here. Welcome to the show. We're live 12 hours a day to support and help people. I have to focus on the members, I'm afraid. As you can see, we've got lots of questions and I answer everyone, but I have to focus on the members. So I haven't got time to look at HKD just for the moment. If you remember, I can review stocks, I can do earnings for you. We rank number 1 and 2 for most of the stocks that we cover, so they get lots of promotion as well. We can do all of those things for you as a member. If you want to become a member, you can for just a couple of bucks in It's not about making me rich a couple of bucks. I do it to help people, and I like to give back 20 times what I put in, what you put in. There is the membership link in the chat. If I get a chance, I'll come back to you. Please remind me again if the chat goes quiet. But at the moment, I have to focus on the members. I'm sure you can appreciate that. Team Fusion, congratulations. Yes, indeed. FFIE. We are watching FFIE and GameStop, of course. GameStop has no value. It's an awful, awful company to invest in because it's been destroyed by Roaring Kitty. FFIE going to zero. There's no value to it whatsoever. We've been reporting on it. I'm afraid there are those cult following channels like Omar who says God's going to save all our trades. Well, I don't think it's going to make any difference whatsoever. You can be as religious as you like, but the fact of the matter is, if you buy a bankrupt company with no value, it's going to zero, and there ain't nothing you can do to stop it, and you can pray all you like. If you are a religious person, God gave you a mind to think and do the right thing, not to gamble and listen to a cult following. Absolutely ridiculous. There's no value here whatsoever. They're not doing any business at all, and the company is worth nothing at all. Its market cap now is 200 million, and that really is extremely exaggerated. It's only actually at best a million. 1/200th of where we are today, and that's being generous. I'm just taking the account of the stock, not even that really. Very, very dangerous if you're buying Faraday and following Omar, who's telling all his millions of followers it's a great idea and thinking they can move the market. Very, very silly thing to do. GameStop, the same thing. It's rubbish. It's got no value at all. It's better than Faraday, but it's been destroyed. They can't get serious investment now because of Roaring Kitty, the whole silliness of it all. Big institutions just don't want to have nothing to do with it. They cannot be involved in such silliness. So a lot of people losing money. The only person who made any money was Roaring Kitty, your hero. So very, very bad business move there. On the other hand, as you can see, if you actually buy great businesses, focus on businesses, I'm breaking records every day. I'm beating the market today. This is my portfolio. Started with $5,000. I'm at 97, nearly 98,000. It's our birthday next week. 7 days to go. 3 years old on the show. And hopefully we'll be at $100,000. Anyway, there you go. Good morning, Martin. Good morning, Bill. Lovely to have you here this morning. Nice one, Team Fusion. Yes, we've got 302 members now. And we've got over 100 members on the extra channel. It's incredible, actually. Our members are going up all the time. So we can't thank you enough for that. And I'm going to keep adding more and more services all the time to give more and more to you. Team Fusion, congratulations. Thank you, everyone. The least I can do is commit to someone who is helping me. Wow. That's why I do this. That's why I do this. And when someone says something like that and recognizes that, I really appreciate it. I have said it millions of times, and a lot of people don't understand this statement, but I'm going to say it again. I am not a YouTuber. Even though I broadcast on YouTube, I am not a YouTuber. Elton John broadcasts and does shows on YouTube. Is he a YouTuber? No, of course not. And I'm not. A YouTuber is someone who created a business on YouTube, who uses YouTube the way it was built, if you like, creating thumbnails and news sensationalism to sell videos. It's not what I do. If I did that, I would have very different style of thumbnails. I'd be very much more dramatic. I would say you're all going to get rich. I'd say we're all going to lose our money every 5 minutes. I'd be very dramatic one way or the other to incite my audience. I would would dive into the weaker element, whether I was preying on people's insecurity or preying on their religious beliefs or preying on any weakness, basically, to exploit videos. That's not what I do. If I wanted to do that, I would do half an hour live a day, and I would just make lots of videos to hide behind a camera and make money. However, I go live 12 hours a day to real people, and I know the difference. As the world piano man, I met people in person, millions of people all around the world, and I know real lives are affected by what we do and say here. So it's my job and my ambition to grow the best, most honest, most real channel in the world, which I'm just sharing my opinions, but it's based upon facts without being in the stock. I only own the S&P. I'm not trying to get you to subscribe to me. I'm not trying, even though I ask you to subscribe, that's not the intention of the channel. The drive is go live every day, face everybody, talk to everybody, provide a community, help everybody, and at the end of the day, you don't have to gamble, you don't have to short, you don't have to take risks. I started with $5,000, nobody watching, nearly 3 years ago for the first year and a half, and here we are just about to hit $100,000. I've never shorted a stock. People on GameStop, they keep watching my videos saying, I bet he's a hedgy. That's not even a real word. That was made up by Omar. They mean a hedge funder. How the hell am I a hedge funder? I'm just an entertainer sitting here talking to you live every day. I'm not a hedge funder. And they also say, I bet he's shorting the stock. Or he's paid to say it. Not paid by anyone to say anything. And I don't short anything. I don't even know how to. I'm sure I could work it out in 5 minutes, but I've never done options. I don't believe in options. I don't believe in it. I don't have any interest in shorting stocks. I like to build businesses, not destroy them. So Team Fusion, you saying that is a very, very kind thing, and I appreciate it. Thank you, everyone. The least I can do is to commit to someone who is helping me. I'll be here every day for you, Team Fusion. When we get extra busy, we go members only, and as we're growing, of course, there'll be very important days when I will filter right down to gold members, because I can do that. I can filter by gold members. I can do that. So let's have a little go at that just for the minute to show you what I mean. So I can do this now. I can filter for members only. Can I do? Not in a live show. No, I thought I could. No, I can't. Members. No, you can't. The videos I can, and the comments I can. But the live show, no, it does look like it's only, no, I can't. I can't do it for gold members during a live show, only on videos and comments. Anyway, could you give any advice on HKD? I've been investing in the UK. I think I already answered that, Chris. I'll come back to you if I get through all the members. All right. Morning, everyone. NVIDIA keeping me green this morning. NVIDIA, yes, I wouldn't be buying it. I'd only be owning the S&P, and I'm not buying the S&P either. I spent $28,000 on margin about a month ago. I bought the bottom, and I'm just holding now. I'm just riding it up. I'm not doing anything at all. Juan Zavala, good morning to you. Good morning. Ravel, I'm from Nottingham. Nottingham. I visited Nottingham many times. I have performed and played at Nottingham Theatre. Also, is it Thoresby Hall? Which is the other? There's a Warner's stately home in Nottingham. I think it's Thoresby Hall. I've also played at the Nottingham Theatre. Wonderful place. Visited Sherwood Forest, of course, the grand, the mighty oak several times. Good morning, Martin and members. Good morning, Mark. Good morning, Tim. Morning, everybody. Martin, I am from the UK, based in Spain, and I've traded 212 and Robinhood. I'm unable to buy the S&P 500 VU. Is that right? I can answer you that because I have Robinhood UK, Team Fusion. I can answer that. Unfortunately, Robinhood Europe, Robinhood UK doesn't have all the offerings yet on as the US does, and VU is one of them. I understand your frustration. I own VU, of course, in the US. I can't buy it in the UK. What you could do is, if you want to buy a similar stock, and there really isn't one similar, but the closest would be an index fund that is on the FTSE, the Financial Times Stock Exchange, which is with the London-based exchange. Try to find an ETF, the top 100 stocks. That's about as close as you're going to get to it. But the good news is I've spoken to Robinhood about it, and VU and SPY are coming. There's lots of features that aren't on the Robinhood UK yet, but they're coming. So in answer to your question, that's the reason. It's not you. It's the same for me. It's the same for everybody using Robinhood UK. You can't get access to that, but it is coming. And when it does, I'll let you know. I'll be the first to know. I get a lot of the perks and a lot of the upgrades, before anyone. Don't know why. I just seem to. No reason why, I don't think. I've got an extra perk right now. In fact, it'd be nice to ask how many people have this. Robinhood gives you your first $1,000 for free, right? As margin. I'm going to share this with you now. Let's see if anybody else has this, because apparently they give it to select customers. I don't know why. I can't tell you why, but I'll show you. Let's have a look. Where is it? Here it is. Yes. I'll put it on the screen here. Let's have a look. Right, these are my gold perks, and not everyone gets this. I don't know why. I guess it's just the standing of your portfolio, whatever. Can you see my 1% match is going up now? This is great. I'm really excited about this. Can you see? It says here, look, it was 40 cents a day. Now it's a month. Now it's like 74 cents. As I pay in, it goes up, and the dividends as well. No, I don't think the dividends will count. But as you add money, no, in fact, the dividends won't count. As you add money, they're paying you 1% match. It's fantastic. I'm really excited about it. But anyway, let's come back to here. The gold membership. Look. Can you see at the top there? $2,000 margin-free interest. They're only giving it to certain customers. I don't know why. So if you go and check your account, Robinhood Gold, see if you've got it. Let me know. See if you have to have your margin turned on. You don't have to use margin, but you have to have a margin account, not a cash account. Go and check the settings and see if you have got $2,000, because they told me, and it may be just to make me feel good, select customers. Oh, yes, you're very, very important. So they've given it to me. So I'd be interested to see if... new member.
Jonas Van Haver has become a member.
Thank you, Jonas. Was you the guy talking to me earlier? Let me have a look. There was somebody asking me about a certain stock. I'm scrolling up. I can't see it. If it was, I'll come back to you now. Anyway, so go and let me know. Let me come down the questions, and I'll come back to you in a second, Jonas, with all your... oh, no, you are a 2-month. Oh, your membership must have lapsed. I see what happened there. All right. Good morning. Now is the time for all good traders to come to the aid of their stocks. Oh. A human capacity is a relationship with truth, whether or not acknowledged. That relationship is another thing. Free will, says William. Yes, William. Hi, Mike. How many NVIDIA shares? James 007. I don't own any. I only own the S&P. I think it's too expensive to buy it on its own. Morning, James. One more subscriber to Hustle Brothers to get that 100 mark. Who will it be? Okay, I'll help out. Here we go. So let's do this now. Let's do this for, Hustle Brothers. Let's have a look here. Go to channel. Right. Let's help him out. One of our members here, let's help him out. He has 99 subscribers. If he gets 100, he'll be able to go live. One of the perks you get as a member of our channel, silver member or upwards, is you go on the homepage of the channel. And I also, from time to time, like to help you grow. I use my nearly 27,000 followers to help you grow. So there you go. I'm doing it right now. So let's refresh the screen in 5. Let's see if we can get him to 100 so he can go live. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Our latest member, no, he's at 99. I'm going to go again. Let's help a fellow member out. I'm sure we can do it. I'm sure we can get him to 100 so he can go live. Just one more person. Are you ready? In 5, 4, 3, 2. Remember, we help everyone. So one day you might want everyone to follow your business, your website, your Instagram, your X account, YouTube, your charity, whatever it is. We're here to help everybody. All the members help everybody. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Everyone's done it here. That's the trouble. We need some new people. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 100! I knew we could do it. Well done, everybody. Absolutely fantastic. 100 subscribers. You can now go live. You're very, very welcome. He was only like 11 subscribers a week ago. All right. Absolutely brilliant. Great stuff. We love it. 10 minutes ago before the bell, 100 subscribers. There you go. Very nice indeed. And you just hit a milestone. Now make the most of that. Do your thing. Mark Saxby just subscribed to him. There you go. I'm here to help everybody. Don't mind doing that. Other YouTubers will go, why do you do that? What if he does the same content as you? Right? Doesn't matter. Just help people out. Yeah, but what if everyone goes and watches his channel rather than watches yours? Well, that is a point, I suppose. Still going to do it. Right. Morning, James. Mark, I have 4 shares, adding as I can. Morning. Mark, well done. 140 is a good effort. Thank you, Stacy. Nice one, John. Mark, thank you. So your net balance is 71. Why do you keep saying... Adam Kilmer, so many people misunderstand this, and I don't know why. My balance is 97. That's my balance. This is my brokerage account where I put money, and there's my Roth where I put money. I put money in both accounts here. A lot of those that follow GameStop and Omar love to say that. They're spreading it all over Reddit going, Martyn Lucas, he's a liar. He keeps saying he's nearly 100,000. He's only got 97. Sorry, only got 71. Or people will say, Martyn Lucas, he's the worst trader in the world. He was at nearly 100,000 yesterday, and now he's only at 71. I get so many people say stuff like that online, and it's like, why are you lying and making up silly stories like that when it's completely and utterly unfounded? I don't know what to say to the people like that. So I'll say again, I have 71,919 in my brokerage account. I also put money at the beginning of the year, every year, in my Roth IRA, 25,700. So my total is 97,655. But I've actually got over 120,000 invested, actually, because I'm using $24,000 of margin. But margin doesn't get added to your balance, only the profits and the losses, the gains and the losses. That's all. And it was the right thing to do because I keep beating the market because I bought at the bottom knowing that we've got an 8% rise this year and I see a VU target of $620. That's another 20% this year possible in the next 12 months. It's incredible that the opportunity in the S&P now is insane. So I'm in margin 2. That's why I'm beating the market. So my total balance is not 71, Adam. Why do I keep saying 97? Because it is. That's my balance. That's how much money I have in Robinhood right now. $97,000, not 71. Went to Nottingham Stag. Nice one, Mark. Try CSPX in EU, but it's an account, but it's a ACC ETF. Jonas, I know you're a member now, so I'm going to come back to you in a second. In fact, I'll do it now. I've got 6 minutes before the bell. Let me do it. Would everybody please welcome Jonas? No, I beg your pardon. Jonas is not a new member. I beg your pardon. He's renewed his account. That's what I meant to say. So you know all the perks, right? Are you on Discord, by the way? Here's Discord. If you're a member, I can upgrade you. I don't know if you're on there. I don't remember seeing you. But then I forget, so. Jonas became a member. Martin, you are the best. Thank you, Hustle Brothers. Let's go, Hustle. James 007, I will have Matt do it. Hang on. 100. There you go. Just subscribe to Hustle Brothers. Congratulations. Woohoo. 100. Well done. Be 101 now. I would, but I already have. Let's go, Hustle. Way to go, Hustle. Yes, Martin, appreciate everything you've done, and that you and that you all the family. Yeah. Jay Long, I have a surprise headed your way for your daughter. How cool is that? Hi, Martin. Please, any comment on Nicola? Thank you. Quick look on Nicola for you. Let's have a look. One of my members, Nicola. I've got no Nicola news. There's very little news coming out of Nicola at the moment. We are down now to 41 cents. It's not good, of course. The company market cap now is 647 million. And I believe they're going to do all right, though. I think the company is okay now. It's had a checkered past, but I think it's going to do all right now. There's some good news coming out of the company. I think most people will agree, but it's a matter of patience, though, for this one. We need to do a reassessment of it. That's all I can give you for right now. Good morning, everyone. David Hensley. Thank you, David, for your comments on Discord. Wow, I tell you what, me hats off to you for what you've achieved in the last year or so. I hope I can emulate that. Yeah, well done, mate. Thank you, Chris. It's easy to make money. It's really easy to make money. The hard part is to keep it. People's biggest problems are themselves. It's easy if you like hard work. I like hard work. I love building things. I've built my YouTube channel. I've toured all around the world as the world piano man. There's nothing I do unique and clever, actually. It's harder to manipulate and be a liar and a schemer, to be perfectly honest. That's much harder. It's easier just to tell the bloody truth and just to work hard. See, I like going live. I like entertaining people 12 hours a day. Do you know what, Chris? We have the highest engagement rate of any channel on YouTube, even more than Mr. Beast. If you look in the chat, you will see 98% of our live viewers are members. It's more than any channel on YouTube TV. We grow 1,000 subscribers a week. We're going to be at 1 million in about 6 years' time, 100,000 within a year. It's incredible how it just doubles and doubles and doubles. And we have an extra channel as well, an extra channel where we're live 12 hours a day. It's members only. I literally make it members only, even though we could make it bigger and get more people in. I don't care. It's about the quality. Every single person's a member. Every single person. It's members only. So that's not a great achievement. It's just members only. All right. Before anybody says, well, he's now saying he's got 100% membership. Well, it's because it's members only. That's why. But yeah, it is members only. But also, you might be interested to note that I have a music channel. As I'm the world piano man, this is my music channel. And I've just celebrated Paul McCartney's birthday, which I'm really upset that my viewers didn't go and watch. I've only got a few views. There's no one like Paul McCartney anymore. For those of you who don't know, Wings contacted me, and I rehearsed with Wings years ago. When Wings toured the United States, they asked me to play the part of Paul McCartney in Wings, because Paul doesn't do it anymore. And there you go. I recorded a whole playlist of Paul McCartney. It was his birthday. He was 83. And I did that, and only a handful of you have watched it. Very upset about that. But anyway, there's my music channel if you want to go and check it out. Live concert every Friday. We got 1 minute to go. We got new members coming in. Let's celebrate. This is very, very nice. Let's have a look. We got new members. Please give a massive thank you to Jason Davis. Jason Davis has bought 5 people memberships. Remember, you don't get the full benefit as a free member. G has become a member. Daniel, Suresh, Fatala Hamza, Corey. Very, very nice. Please thank him. He's spent his hard-earned money giving you memberships. That's very, very kind indeed. So there you go. We got 45 seconds before the bell goes. I'm ready. Let's have a quick sip of tea, James. Corey. Wonderful stuff. Right, here we go. Let's go. We've got more members, but we're running out of time because it's about to... Oh, there's Fatala Hamza. Another one. Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You can sponsor the bell for $20 super chat. You can put your name right here, a link to your channel, your business, your charity. $20. You can sponsor Sensei Crypto Bell. Here we go. Let's see what's up or down today. Are we going to hit $100,000 today? Well, you never know. Let's have a look and see. Let's go to Studio Green. We are green in the studio today, so let's have a look. This is our all-time balance. We are now at 97,611. Let's see where we go today. All right. Overall portfolio is up. I'm beating the market again. Virgin Galactic, another new all-time low. It's going lower and lower and lower. Despite the good news, nobody is buying it at this level. It's gone down again, under 200 million now for the entire company. In fact, 207. Let me refresh the screen. Let's see if it's gone below. 201 million now for Virgin Galactic. Look at that. About 10 times below its actual value. Unbelievable. And it's going down and down and down and down and down. Unbelievable. Good news today, but nobody wants to buy it. Palantir is up but pulling back. Gold is up today. The S&P is up 0.07. Amazon up today, 0.59. Very nice indeed. Apple down, but up to $213 now. I said the target, I think was 220. It's about there. It's not worth any more than that. Next Era Energy up 0.87. Enphase going down 108, becoming a good buy again. Coca-Cola, defensive stocks. People are moving to high growth stocks right now. J&J, great value, a $200 stock. Chevron up today but pulling back. Tesla going straight back down. People got too excited about the deal with Elon Musk. It wasn't a great deal for you. It was a good deal for him, but the stock is only worth 110. It's overbought. I don't care how great you think it is, and people spreading false information saying there's going to be billions of robots running around in a few years is living in cloud cuckoo land. There might be a few thousand, but there certainly isn't going to be billions. That's more people than there are on the planet Earth. It makes no sense. Even if Elon wanted to make that money, he couldn't get them all out. And assuming that everybody in the third world is going to buy a robot about $40,000, I'm pretty sure that's not going to happen. But anyway, people can say what they like, particularly Kathy Wood, who loves to exaggerate. Rivian going down, McDonald's going down, Google flying up today. Microsoft just pulling back, Nvidia up. Walmart going up, Tilray up, good value. Robinhood, good value, going down. IonQ going down, Rocket Lab going down, Plug Power going down. Plug Power now, good value, good value. Next earnings coming up is the one I told you when things will be good. Rumble going down, Funware, Ascent Solar, they're in the studio live tomorrow with me, live in the studio tomorrow. Faraday Future going down, rubbish, has no value. Bitcoin going down. I sold all my Bitcoin, all of it at 70,000. I'm out of my Bitcoin, 100% sold. Ripple up 0.3, I still hold Ripple. And finally, Nikola, we just looked at that. Nikola is going down, and so is GameStop. All of that stuff, GameStop is absolutely worth nothing at all. Right, there we go. There is our portfolio breakdown for the morning. Looking great once again, still beating the market. Good morning, IBRX up 4%. Fantastic. Good luck to you. 1 week to anniversary. Yes, indeed. 1 week to go. Will we get to 100 grand by the third birthday? How do you see Nvidia? From Twitch, how do I see Nvidia? Too expensive. Great business. Just buy it through the S&P. Why? Because all the small caps haven't even started to grow yet. The S&P, some are saying, Tom Lee is saying 20% this year, as is Goldman Sachs. 20% this year. And it's not unusual. People go, well, I thought it was like 13%, 10 to 13% a year average. It is. But in years like this, you get 30%. In the next few years, you get just going sideways, which is when you start building up your cash again. This is the time to be in. I tried to add you on Discord last night. It said you were not accepting friend requests. That means you are contacting the wrong person. Team Fusion, that means you are contacting the wrong person. I'll do it live right now on the show. Here is the Discord link. Give me your Discord username in the chat and send me a friend request spelt correctly. If you're sending it to the wrong person, you're going to get scammed and all the rest of it. There are hundreds of people on Discord who pretend to be me. I have no friend request from you. So send me a friend request to my name spelt correctly. Martyn Lucas, as it is in the chat. Team Fusion, I'll come back to you in a second and I'll upgrade you and everything. So Team Fusion, I'm looking out for you right now. Send me a friend request and put your username of Discord here in the chat on YouTube. Thank you kindly. You're welcome. I still have Discord. Jonas, great. Send me your username. I'll make sure that you're upgraded. I want to make sure that you are, because you may have lost your membership. All right. Would really help if you could give me some advice on HKD that I've missed in. Thank you, mate. Chris Rainbow. Chris, did you become a member during all of that? No, you're not a member yet, Chris. I have to focus on the members. I'd love to help you. It's only a couple of bucks to be a member. I have to focus at the moment. As you can see, I haven't got through all the questions yet. Jason Davis, good morning. Stacy, is there any way star review? 5 memberships. Daniel, please thank Jason, Suresh, G, Corey, Fathala. Please do thank Jason Davis. He spent his hard-earned money giving you perks of the show. Welcome everyone. I will go back and check the other channel out. But definitely, mate, you've done well for yourself, and I hope you can do something similar. You can definitely do it. It's easy to make money, Chris. Making money is easy. The hard part is to keep it. We live in a world with limitless possibilities. It's just people get in the way. Jonas, there you are. Jonas has sent me a message. Thank you. You're welcome. Let me make sure that you are upgraded. It doesn't look like you are. Let me have a look. Why won't you open up? Let me have a look. Let me search for you on Discord. I'm just doing this for one of my members. Just bear with me. Jonas VH. Yes, I've got you as a member. Jonas Van Haver. What is your name on YouTube? I want to make sure you got the same name. Jonas Van Haver. This is what I'm doing to your account. I've just given you membership. You got that. Roles. Change nickname. Oh, no, you are the same. We've all done. We got that right. Okay, great. So I can now go back to the members. Thank you, Jonas. Making sure we're all good. Jonas, thank you. Thank you, Jonas Van Haver. All done. I always message like that, so you know it's me. Right, there you go. We're good. We're good. We're good. Still not got a friend request from our new, our new guy, our gold member. Right, let's have a look over here. Thank you, Chris. By the way, if you join us on Friday, we do a live concert every Friday night. Join us for the concert on Friday. Welcome, Andrew Michael. Nice, Chris. Quick sip of tea, one chug of coffee. Yeah, all my tea's gone, mate. We did it with you earlier. I'm sorry we didn't do it together this morning. Good luck, Jason. Bill has become a member.
Thank you for your support.
Hang on, what was that? I missed that. Oh, Bill was celebrating his membership. He's already a member. He was celebrating. You're very welcome, Bill. We're here to support you. A live family every day. Everyone gets together and absolutely right. Yes, Bill, you are most certainly welcome. Thank you for your support. Thank you for being here. NVIDIA is the future of AI. It's a hold, not a trade. Nah, exactly, don't trade it. Exactly right. When do you think we'll come in and buy this Virgin Galactic and replace the entire senior management? That would be a very good thing to happen. Yeah, oh my dear, oh dear, oh dear. Virgin Galactic, on the day, we have such good news. The stock price has plummeted down another, oh my gosh, now it's nearly 6% down. We're now, if we do a calculation, folks, 950, let's do this, is terrible, 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 terrible now. 950, let's do this. If I go like this into my phone, if I go here, $9.50 divided by 20, 47 cents a share. Now, that's what we are, and I wouldn't be surprised now if we are under 200 million. The stock is now dramatically undervalued. Bear with me as I try to unlock my phone. What's wrong with my face? Hey, what's wrong with my face? There's a lot wrong with it, but it shouldn't be. Anyway, let's have a quick refresh. Are we now under 200 million? We are now. Okay, for the very first time, we are under. So here we go. SPCE. Okay, SPCE. Virgin Galactic breaking news. I've just put out lots of great information. I say great information. I shouldn't really say that. Sounds a bit like great information. It was great information, though. It was provided by Richard Durant, who I gave my reaction to. But also this morning, some more great news out for the stock, because we've got repeat business in the experimental world, which means they're much more expensive flights, much more profitable. But now, for the very first time, it has happened. The stock has gone under a market cap of 200 million. In fact, the market cap now is 194 million, dramatically undervalued for the cash, the assets, the goodwill, the customers, the future business. Even if you don't value it at all, and if you don't think it's going anywhere, and that's fair enough, you can come to that conclusion. There are a lot of risks associated with Virgin Galactic, but there's no doubt about it. It is undervalued if you look at the business, the current cash balance, the future business, the deposits to be paid, and all the goodwill around the business. There's only one problem with Virgin Galactic. Nobody believes anymore in the management. The more and more we talk about this, no one believes in it. I've just had, as you know, my interview with Bloomberg. You'll be hearing all about that shortly. But I can tell you, No one is impressed with the management. The big players, the big investors want management change, and they want it now. The stock price keeps going down, and it shouldn't be down today, because if we look at the overall portfolio, I'm beating the market again. This is my overall balance, 97,693. We are 6 days away from our third birthday on the show, and I'm going to be at $100,000, even though I lost $30,000 with Virgin Galactic. Why is this happening? It shouldn't be happening. Virgin Galactic today has some great news. I've just put out some news on Virgin Galactic. You have to go and see. Let me share with you what I've just done. The past and the future. Do you like my new thumbnail? I designed that myself. No AI, by the way. I do it all myself. Just in case anyone cares. Past and future, just put it out. Very important news. A full 30-minute documentary style video with all the facts, all the information you cannot afford to miss. And just some moments ago, I did it before the show started this morning. Virgin Galactic in the money. Great news, great business. We've got some really good news for Virgin Galactic. Very good news indeed. I know the risks are there. They are. But with great risk comes great reward. No doubt about it. It's still extremely risky. It still might go bankrupt. There's no doubt about it. It could easily go private. No one's really helping the business anymore. The potential now is huge with good management to propel the stock and serve the investors. No one likes Eric Kearney. He is disliked amongst the investors. I would hate to be him when he picks up the phone and phones an investor. Nobody wants him in that role anymore. And you'll hear about my interview on Bloomberg very soon as well. So look out for that. So there you go. Click above my head for all the links down below in the description. What a shame to see Virgin Galactic go down like this when there's absolutely no need for it at all. Over here, I will put the video I've just recorded, which is the news in the money video, and down here I'll put the playlist, which will include past and future. You cannot miss that video. It's all the information you need for you to decide whether it's a good investment or not is up to you. Remember, I'm not in it. I only own the S&P, but I'm looking at it increasingly more every day, thinking, should I get back into this stock? As yet, no, because there's too much negative sentiment. I know there are hundreds of people waiting to buy when I buy. That sounds a bit arrogant, doesn't it? But it's just the truth, and this channel is about the truth. I get lots of emails, lots of messages saying when you buy and you announce that you've bought live on the show, we're buying in. Over here. Till next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. Right. Virgin Galactic, what time was that? That'll have to go out as its own video. Right. I've got an idea. 1 hour. SPCE. 1 hour. I've got an idea of a new service to the show, and I'm going to ask you now whether you'd like me to do it. Let me just read the comments, and then I'm going to ask you whether you agree with this. I love doing that, Jason. Jason's so kind of you, donating to people. The idea is that the Tesla robots will start building robots. Yeah, but there's not enough materials to do it. The infrastructure couldn't support that. Discord. Here we go. Discord. I've still got no friend requests from you. I don't know why. So you're saying your server name is Snuggles. Let me do this. Snuggles. Here we go. Snuggles. You're not on the server. You've joined the wrong server, mate. This is you when I search for you. You are not here. When I search for you, you do not exist. You do not exist unless you've missed that out. No, no. You do not exist on our server. You are messaging the wrong server, the wrong person. Let me give you are you the person that's been emailing me saying I can't get in? I think that's the reason why. There is the link for my server. Okay? I think you are on the wrong server. Click on that server. You need to verify your email and you need to do all the good stuff. Otherwise, if you're a bot or a scammer, of course, you're not a scammer, you're a gold member. But you know what I mean? If you don't verify your email, if your email isn't verified, you've not clicked on the link, you won't be in. So I'll come back. Dang, I told you I was useless. Team Fusion. Don't worry about it, mate. Don't worry about it. We all make mistakes. Hi, all. Henrik. HDK. Yeah, much appreciated. Chris, you're very welcome. I'll come back to you if I can. Okay, I will do. Chris, become a member. Chris, thank you for your support. IBRX is going to break out. Is Sensei here? Plug, quick buy zone. Sensei, are you here? Good morning, all. I'm behind the stream. Only 1,000 interest free on Robinhood here. Not part of the Cool Kids Club, I guess, Brian. I have no idea. If you are behind the stream, all you've got to do is click the live button, right? If you are behind the stream, this is what you do, right? Many people don't realize this. Look, this is the live show right now. Can you see it said the live is gray? Can you see it? That's because I'm behind the stream. If you click live, it goes red. You're 30 seconds behind now. Now click the cogs and now click playback speed 2 times. Now it speeds up. Watch. Realize this. Look, this is the live show right now. Can you see it said the live is grey? Can you see it? That's because I'm behind the stream. The reason I do that is it's because it provides closed captions. We have people watching in 52 countries, 62 countries in 14 languages. So we have closed captions turned on, so it takes a few seconds to process. But that's how you can get around it, by doing those things if you're behind the stream. All right? Very, very important that. Enphase took a huge hit as well. Called it, Chris. Martin, can you throw IBX on the screen? I know no review needed. Just want to show the daily graph. Yes, of course I can. You are a member of my channel and very much appreciated. IBRX. There it is on the screen, up 7.27. Congratulations to you. Very, very good news. Immunity bio. That is good news. There is some good news out, I know. Congratulations to your favorite stock. GameStop, absolutely rubbish, going down the toilet. FFIE, Faraday Future, has no value, going down the toilet. Amazing. It's breaking. Yes. Who wants to buy space and save this company? That's the question I'm having online on phone calls at the moment. Right, let's have a look. I'll pitch in. Dang, I told you I was useless. Jason, thanks. Right, free money, news, out activity, insurance. Right, okay. So here is my space 1 hour. Here is my information to you. Here is my information to you. My question to you. Bear with me. $9.28 divided by 20, 46 cents. Right. Space SPCE 1 hour 10. Right. Virgin Galactic, very, very important news here. I'm on the phone day and night now on this very question, and I'm going to explain it to you now. Virgin Galactic, 46 cents right now. That's old money. That's where it is. We are about 20 times undervalued right now. Let me just make sure my face works here. Look, every time I click this, it's for some reason, my face has changed. Look at that, look. Are you having a laugh? Now it's logged me out. That's really annoying. Okay, I'll have to make that video again. I do apologize. I wonder if it's to do with my glasses. But it's just logged me out. Just bear with me a second. Damn it, how bloody annoying is this? It didn't used to do this. Just bear with me. Just make sure I'm off screen. I don't want to be sharing my passwords with everybody. Always scares my wife. Says, you be careful what you're doing. And she's right. Might have to turn face off and just do it with text. Oh well, never mind. Ooh. Right. Let's try that again. Virgin Galactic news here. I'm on the phone day and night on the question I'm going to put to you now. Shall we save the company? 46 cents in old money. If you divide it by 20, you get 46 cents. I'm trying to get my face to unlock this phone and it's not doing it. Flipping hell, really? There we go. Okay. Sorry about that. I am making this live, and for some reason it wouldn't go through my glasses there. All right, Virgin Galactic now. I'm on the phone day and night talking about this to investors. As you know, I've got a big interview. I've just done it. You all know what it is. I'm not going to give you any more information about that. A lot of investors are very, very unhappy now. We've had breaking news this morning about the stock, and many people are now calling for the investors to come together and buy out the company. And that is hotting up. Management change, buy out the company. We can do it. We've got enough money and enough people to do this now. We are now looking at a market cap of 194 million. We are massively undervalued now by about 20 times. No one's buying it. Good news is flying in and out and everywhere. 191 million now. Look at that. 190. In fact, it's going down even further now. How low can this stock go? So what do you think? Do you think we should buy the whole company? There's about 8 or 9 people I am talking to who are all involved in the interview that I'm doing, already done. I've done mine. It'll be out soon, and you'll get to hear about it. But what do you think? Should we all come together and buy the company and demand that the management get replaced? I will stand in and do marketing, publicity, make sure that I get all the flight data to present the flights properly. What do you think? Should we all come together and buy this company? It wouldn't be too difficult right now. 190 million, we're about to go down to about 180 million if we're not careful. And it won't take too much to do it. What do you think? Leave me your thoughts below. I've just done some information videos out about the news this morning, about the increased revenue with the increased research flights. Click above my head, down below in the description. Reply to me in the comments. You know, we did a petition earlier and we got policy change at the company. Let's see if everybody now wants to buy the company. I know there are lots of people who have said they're waiting for me to say on the screen that I'm buying in, and they're all going to buy in with me. We could buy the whole company and replace Eric Kearney and Michael Cole-Glazier. It wouldn't be too difficult right now. Over here for further links down below in the description. What do you think? Shall we buy the whole company? Let me know your thoughts below. I'll reply to all of my members. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. Right, now then, what I want to ask you is this. This is a very, very, very timely video. I want it out now. So what I'm going to ask you now is a poll. We are running on the extra channel. We could use the extra channel to do this, right? The stock has gone down now. It's news now. I'm running live right now on the extra channel. Here it is, live right now. What I could do is end this broadcast because I can't upload the video, edit it, and upload the video until I end this broadcast. So my question to you right now, because this is really timely news and I've got people waiting to buy the stock at certain conditions, and if I buy it, certainly. So let me give you a poll. Shall I end the stream right now? Send everybody to the extra channel so you can be live together. You will hear me talking. You'll hear what's going on. You'll be watching Virgin Galactic on the screen, exactly the same in the extra channel. This is what it looks like right now. All right. I can then upload this video and then come back. It'll only take me sort of 20 minutes, half an hour, and I'll be back on the main channel again and continue. What do you think? Good idea? What do you reckon? Right, but I need to end the stream. So let me put a poll in, and I'll do it. I'll tell you now. So here we go. Create a poll. Start a poll. Shall I? Oops, that's easy. Shall I end and upload? Upload. Send all to extra. All right, so here we go. I'm still going to be here. You're still going to hear me. I'm still going to be talking to you. You're going to be in the extra channel. You can see Virgin Galactic. I can then end this stream, upload the video, get the news out of what we want to do, and then I'll bring you back here straight afterwards. So there you go. There's the poll. What do you think? I have to end the stream to be able to do it, and let me see what you say. I need a majority, of course. I need a majority. Let's have a look how many people are watching. We've got 67 people watching. The other channel is a members only channel, but everyone can see, everyone can hear. You can only comment in the chat if you are a member, and it's 99 cents, and it will never go up in price. The reason for that is we don't want bots and scammers and trolls and liars and manipulators in the channel, and all it took was 99 cents to stop them. So in the extra channel, it is members only. You can watch, you can hear, you can see everything else going on, but it's just members only to chat. Right, let's have a look. We got 54%, 50%. We did a majority. How many we got watching? I'll wait until 50% of you have responded, because only our India audience aren't signed into YouTube, so they can't like, they can't comment, they can't engage. Lots of people aren't signed in with Google, so I know only 50% of you can engage, which is 30 votes. We're at 15 votes right now, so I need another 15 votes or thereabouts, and then I will do it. So let's have a look. 17 votes. 50-50, 18 votes. Let's see. Around about 25, I'll call it. I need another 5 votes. We're 50-50 at the moment. And we can get this news out right away. I'll be right back, Jay. I'll be right back. I'm not going anywhere. I'll be live in the extra channel. You'll hear me. You'll see me. You'll see Virgin Galactic. Let me put Virgin Galactic on the screen in the extra channel as well. Here we go. So, SPCE. Here we go. SPCE, Virgin Galactic. There it is. There it is. Right, there's Virgin Galactic in the extra channel. Right, we've got 23 votes. I want 2 more votes. That way we've got everyone that can vote. Or I'll just do a minute on the clock. 24, 50, 50. We'll close the poll. It's 50-50 at 24 votes. One more, and we'll get this out immediately. We can't run it any worse. No, certainly can't. We couldn't do much worse. I'm waiting for one more vote. End the poll. 25 votes. and you have voted. You have voted. Where's the poll gone? Where'd the poll go? I just ended the poll. It was 52%. I don't know where the poll's gone. It was 52%. I've no idea why it disappeared. I ended the poll and it's disappeared. Where the hell, bloody hell's it gone? Let me refresh the screen a minute. It was 52%. Oh, there it is. There it is. Yeah, it was 52% when I ended it. So one more went through. So it was down to 50-50. So it was 52% when I ended it at 25 votes. That's why it took a delay. So I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it. So here we go. It was when I did it. It was a majority. Now it's equal. So I'm going to do it anyway. Let's have a look. So let me do this now. Customize the channel. Redirect you to the extra channel. Extra 706. Save. Right. Let's bring you up to date. Now I'll give everyone the link anyway. So you've got the actual link. Let's do it. Let's buy the company. There you go. There is the link to the extra channel. That's where we're going to go right now. Or we got people subscribing to extra already. Okay. Now, it's open to everyone. Everyone can see, hear, listen, everything. Virgin Galactic is now on the screen. But if you want to speak, it's members-only channel. We keep the bots and the scammers out. It's only 99 cents. We do it for real investors. We don't want this serious, this serious information being overshadowed by idiots coming in. We don't want that at all. All right, so there we go. We're going to leave that right now. We're going to end the show right now. I'm going to put this video out and we're going to get things moving and we're going to see what happens now. You can see the price is $9.19 now. Flipping heck, can you absolutely believe it? So I'll see you back in a minute. We're going to go over to the extra channel. This is where we're going to be. And I'll be right back as soon as I publish the video. I'll be back. So hopefully you'll all join me. Wait for me there. You'll hear me. You'll see me. I'll be talking to you and all the rest of it. Let me change this screen over here to the extra channel so you can keep it on the screen. You'll know exactly what's going on. So let me do that now. And I'm going to get in touch with our investors around the world. Whoops, a daisy. Extra. Put that on the screen. That's good. All right. Is that playing? Yes, it is. Right. That's good. And here we go. All right. Right. There's the extra channel. I'll see you in a minute. I'll be back as quickly as it takes me to upload the video. And we'll be back here live as soon as possible. Let's get busy. Time to buy Virgin Galactic. Let's see what people want to do. I will see you there right now. All right. See you back in see you back in about 20 minutes, half an hour. Until then, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. I'm not going anywhere. I'm in extra with you, talking to you, uploading these videos. Bye-bye for now.